having a staycation today, and it's really nice. I'm gonna be doing a room tour, and hopefully it's gonna be a really nice long weekend. So here it is. Hi. Okay, so this the opening. Well, obviously we have this boxes with the flashlight and two bathrooms. But since I'm only one, sila magagamit ko yung safety box. Sometimes, what is that? Oh, the shoe. Ay, nilalagay sa shoes kapag ano. So yeah, it's very nice lighting for the closet. Okay. And here, when you enter, you have this. You have the sink, and then this is super nice. I like this one kasi for a boutique hotel, it's not so expensive compared to the bigger ones. Let's say Shangri-La or Fairmont, ganyan. Ganda. Look at that. We have bathroom slippers. Nakalimutan mo, some towelettes. And what we have here, that is a very nice compartment. And then when you enter the room, you have this is the CR. Well, if you're on a honeymoon, you don't really need to, I mean, it's all very open, but there's this like that. There is a para siyang curtain, sort of. So if you want your privacy, syempre not all the time naman you want yourselves to expose. So you have to do is put it down. And yeah. So right now, sorry, I'm not showing this to you very, yun siya. And then, okay, putting it again. Ito. This toilet. This is so funny. You can make it fun if you want. While pooping, I guess. And the Mindoro toilet bowl. Sorry for those na eat sa mga ganyan. And then this is a very cute shower. So when you open it, it's actually also the door to close your CR. Cool, no? Well, it's easier. Then you have the shower room. It's super nice. And you have those shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Yay! Sorry, pangit ako. Yeah, and you go. So when you go out, again, toilet. It's gonna be the door for the shower room. Okay, so it looks like this from afar. There. Over here, we have the very nice, I think that's his Manila Cathedral yata. And then, I really like this one. Ayoko ng plastic. So it's a sustainable hotel, I must say. First time I've seen it was in, I think, Panglao. But I already know about it because of CNN whenever you use morning, so work. So I listen to that. Anyway, so here, kung mahilig ka sa kape, what do they have? Nescafe, Lipton, coffee, sugar, you have 2 cups, the usuals. And then down is the small, really cute small ref. We have the TV. And doon is a very cute workstation. I like this one because I love the industrial design. The lamp. It's I think it's very comfy to work here at that desk. Even do your makeup here. So maybe I'll do a makeup review. And over here, finally, tagal kong pinakita sa inyo is the bed. Ganda, no? I love this chair. It's a very manly chair, but Ganda ng room. All I can say is that for, I think I paid around 3,000 plus a night. This is way beyond that. I mean, especially in Manila, mahal. And check this out. Where is that view? It's not your Manila skyscraper na mala Makati, but this is good. This is Quezon City with MITRE. We are on the 8th floor. So yeah, there you go. I'll show you the entire thing. Sorry if medyo ang hirap kuhanan kasi I only have this phone. Basically, yeah. So yes, here we are. Finally, a staycation. I was supposed to go to the beach, pero because of work and all the personal matters going on in my life, I can't really go far. And budget-wise as well, although this is already a splurge for me, I think this is good enough. And at the same time, kasi I know that I can vlog about it, so that's good. So parang double purpose. And then when I saw the package, they offered me a good rate. So yeah, why not? Hopefully, it will be a very chill, laid-back weekend. I can finally rest and enjoy my stay here. Although, alam mo yung pag-staycation, nakaka-guilty. Kasi yung feeling mo, nandiyan kayo yung bahay mo, why do you need to check in? Pero, alam ko rin yung sarili ko that my mind is so frazzled and so fried lately that maybe ito na lang din yung parang quick escape.